Okay, we are here in the house in Mercer County, New Jersey. In this house, it's probably like 3,500 square foot house. We're renovating, we're installing 2 bathrooms, and we're painting the house. This team right now, they're painting this is like the master bedroom. You see, we've got kind of like a bonus room and the master bedroom itself. And the closets, you've got the women's closet, the men's closet. Why the women's closets are bigger than the men's closet? So as you see here, we already painting, you see the semi-gloss finish on this crown molding. It's glossy, it's washable, beautiful, clean look. The walls, the client chose flat finish on the ceiling, semi-gloss on the molding and the doors, and matte finish on the walls. The reason that they chose matte, because you've got some washability, they can take a rag and clean it. It's not as glossy as eggshell. Some people choose eggshell. In the 70s, 80s, they didn't have the matte finish that they used to use only eggshell finish, but it's got lots of gloss. It shows imperfection. The team here is fixing all the imperfection. In any case, they send it the spackle or all the repair area, and then they primed 1 coat the entire room. So this room right now have 1 coat of primer, and we still have to apply 2 coats of paint. As you see, the way that we cover the furnitures and the floor, you're going to see in the master bedroom, we cover the bed, and here we cover the computer, the table, the fridge, I think, and then the light, any dust. And as you see, the light fixture here, in order not to use brush around the light and not to see like brush marks, we're lowering the light. Then we can roll the ceiling, and then you don't see any brush marks. To perfection, the line here. Yeah, this is just the bonus room in the master bedroom. So the quality here is excellent. The guy's doing a great job. We still have to apply 2 coats on the wall, and it's already looks finished. Literally, this is after 1 coat of primer, it's already look finished. The ceiling has 2 coats, the crown molding has 2 coats, and now we're going to do the walls and the doors, and then the baseboard, and the last section, the baseboard. Yeah, so this is the painting project that we do in this house. Molding installation around the opening. See, it's very thick and impressive. We painted already 2 coats of semi-gloss finish. Client asked us to install 4 boxes on each side of the foyer, 4 boxes, and also crown molding on the entire foyer and the hallway in the 2nd floor. The entire foyer has the crown molding. The crown molding is probably like around 7 inch. Plus we had a small gap after the crown molding and another piece of molding. So it's all together very impressive. You can see there. Other than that, around this door, we installed the casing around it's simple but beautiful casing, also like about 5 inch. This is around the opening, around the main door, and around the opening that's behind you. We also installed the chandelier that you see above us. The electrician did it, and the medallion that above the light. We already apply 1 coat of paint on these walls, and here we applied already 2 coats. As you see, all the chair molding, the base molding, the walls, the ceilings already have 2 coats, and a brand new light also we installed here. This portion of the house we completed probably like 3 days ago, and now we still have to work on the few bedrooms upstairs, the living room, and the kitchen. We're going to install a brand new door for the patio. We already renovated 2 bathrooms. So as you see here, we installed like the 3 boxes, this portion, and all the opening. We installed the casing and crown molding the entire foyer and the landing in the 2nd floor. Look sharp. We need here 2 days to complete the project, final touch-ups, and then we're going to clean the floor. Here on the railing, this is the future plan. Probably we'll do it in the next 2 weeks. We're going to install brand new railing and brand new spindles. The railing will be made of wood, and the spindles will be made of metal, wrought iron. Yeah, it's going to be probably the color of like a blackish color. The railing will be bare wood that we're going to apply some kind of a clear coat on top, or we're going to add some kind of semi-transparent stain to see the beauty of the wood. It's very popular lately. This used to be big. This kind of railing and spindles made of wood and stain was big in the 80s. Now it seems like a new trend with the wrought iron spindles. But the job looks great, sharp, clean. You see we're covering the floors while we're working. And this is the final touch-up today. The painters painting all the casing here, casing of this door and this door. So this project will be completed to the foyer probably in a day and a half too. It looks good. New tiles on the wall. This section we painted from this corner to this corner. We fixed the wall already. And this is a stand-alone tub. This is a new style. People don't installing the jacuzzi anymore like they used to have. And the plumbing comes straight out of the floor. You know, simple look, beautiful. New tiles on one wall, stand-alone tub and painting. I think we painted only these two walls. Quick 2.5 days project. Clients loves it. You know, people are using the tub just like the old school that used to have tub inside on the floor. Beautiful. The clients love the tiles, love the tub. Excellent work by the team. Hi guys, this is Ori, the contractor. We are in Mercer County, New Jersey. We in the middle of bathroom renovation project. This used to be a tub. We used to have a tub here and different tiles. We're changing the entire bathroom into standing shower. So as you see that you don't have to climb into the tub. They used to have, the babies grow up and now they have teenagers. So don't need the tub anymore. We install new tiles on the floor, new tiles on the wall. It's a different style as you see. It's kind of like the tiny different design. We built for them the niche. They have enough space here. It go into the wall. There's enough space here to put shampoos and soaps. And then you've got here, as you see, we've got the stone on the curb, special order stone to prevent water to go outside while you're having a shower. We did not install the doors yet. And you see, we didn't install the faucet, the shower head, but the stones are beautiful, humongous, just stunning, very expensive. This is the clients and us, we designed together the bathroom and we went to the store together and we chose the tiles, but beautiful, I love it. We're going to install here new lights. The only renovation in this bathroom is from tub to standing shower. So all that is brand new tiles on the floor, walls, niche, new drain. So see, nice design for the drain, but all the rest stay the same. We're going to keep the vanity, we're going to keep the tiles on the floor and the toilet. Everything will stay. And of course, we're going to paint the bathroom. While we remove the old tiles, we needed part of the wall came off. So we fixing the wall right now. We're installing a piece of sheetrock. We're putting new corners, as you see. We're putting new screws. We applied 1 coat of plaster already today. We're going to apply by the end of the day another coat, and tomorrow morning the 3rd coat. And then we're going to paint the bathroom probably in 2 days. And this is one of the bathrooms that we did. I'm going to show you soon the 2nd bathroom. This is the 2nd bathroom renovation that we did in this house. All this portion we kept, we didn't touch, but all this standing shower is brand new. It used to be the old school tub, like probably from the early 80s. This house is from the early 80s. They used to have like the old rusty tub, and we removed it and we installed brand new black tiles, as you see, the big size tiles. This is like it's not a regular size, and you see all this massage kind of style of shower. I love it. This is, I believe, the guest bathroom. As you see, we installed different style of tiles on the floor and different style of tiles on the wall. We built for them the niche to store the soaps and the shampoo, and we installed a stone, special order stone, call it the stone above the curb. You see a few inch just to prevent the water to come outside. So we have here the stone. Beautiful finish. Brand new drain. The drain itself, the cover is brand new, and all the drain is the pipes are brand new. Supply water. So it's beautiful. The lights. The guys did a great job. I'm very proud of my bathroom installers. Beautiful job. This is 2 bathroom renovation in this house. We're going to do a few other renovation downstairs, and we're painting the entire house. So we have almost 8 guys right now today in this house. Beautiful job. The clients are super satisfied. We just met them outside and they're very satisfied. We are in Mercer County, New Jersey. We have many clients here. We do for them bathroom, roofing, siding, floors, painting, everything. Very proud. Thank you.